How to download ChatGPT for Windows. Although the official app for ChatGPT is not available, what you can do is create a shortcut so that it will be easier for you to access ChatGPT. For this, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. You can see the page as shown on the screen, and once you're here, go ahead and click on the 3 vertical dots that you can see on the top right corner. Then click on More Tools. Now click on Create Shortcut. Now you can rename it if you want or keep it as it is. Then go ahead and take the Open as Window option. And finally, click on the Create option. And that's it. That is all you need to do. And as you can see, the ChatGPT shortcut has been created and I can get the access very easily. In case you want to uninstall it, what you can do is go to the settings option, click on apps, search for ChatGPT and just click on it and you will see the uninstall option. And everyone, that is how you can download ChatGPT for Windows. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.